How we doing? How we doing? Today is Monday, the 29th of January, 2024. Just checking in, just tapping in with you on the real estate tap in. No major headlines. I think the Fed is like conducting a meeting, one of their first meetings of the year, and we'll see what the minutes from that says in terms of will they start to decrease the rates. And if that happens, then mortgage rates sometimes come down, more buyers jump into the market. The When that happens, though, we want to see what happens with the prices. Are prices going to go up, or are they going to remain flat, or are they going to start to decline? Are the buyers that come into the market because of the drop in rates, are they going to negotiate a little bit more, or are they going to give sellers what they're looking for, even have some of these bidding wars? So usually, because of the demand side not being there as much, and you get the supply side not being there as much as demand, usually it will keep prices at worst flat, but a lot of times it will increase them. But should the interest rates come down, will more sellers come on the market? Because sellers usually are buyers. They usually sell one property to move into another. Or will we start to see more investment type of properties come on the market from sellers? So it'll be interesting to see what happens, if there is any rate decrease. Also, if you are looking to buy a house, try to go to some of these new construction bills. No matter where you are, it could be here in New Jersey or anywhere across the country. Builders, they have inventory, a lot of them, especially new builds, and a lot of times what they'll do is make a lot of concessions, possibly pay down your rate, pay your closing costs, because they can't continue to keep that inventory that's not sold. They have to move it so they can then move on to other projects and other areas and things like that. So and they want to obviously gear up for the springtime, and just try to get other projects going, because it does take some time to develop. So if you're in the market for a house, even if you feel as though it might be out of your range, go and see what can be negotiated. A lot of times, with all the concessions, you're getting 50,000, 25,000, maybe more than that in terms of concessions to make the deal work. Because like I said, they're not trying to keep that inventory on their books. So just something, if you know anybody that's looking, have them go to those new builds. A lot of times they only have like one that's on the market, so to speak, or listed, but they may have others in the development as well, for sale. So you might be able to work out a good deal for yourself, just depending on your situation. So all right, everybody, enjoy your day. Tuesdays and Thursdays this week, we will be going live in the evenings talking about real estate notes, looking at note deals, and starting back up at 12:30, I'm going to be going live, looking at deals and taking any type of questions in regards to note investing, whether you're somebody that has money and is looking for a higher rate of return on your money. I think notes would be a good place to place your money. If you're somebody looking to buy, you want to understand how notes work, how notes are created. And if you're a seller, maybe you don't have a ton of equity. You bought during the pandemic and you don't have a lot of equity. You may want to consider writing or doing a note on the property, to maximize what you can get out of it. So, be taking questions and stuff like that at 12:30, each and every day on Instagram Live. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.